Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. This one is gray. Underneath there's a 3.6 V6 with 284 horsepower and 262 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Black leather interior with blue stitching. Third row seating. Pacifica badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seatings, clean set of floor mats, blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, dual clamp controls, power outlet and USB ports, cup holders. This Chrysler has 9,403 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring, visit us at feldmanimports.com.